Hello, it's Maay the Muse, and I'm here to show you how you can look like this, okay? This is how I get a really sleek look with having coarser textured hair. I definitely wanted to share this method with you guys because I feel like this it gives me, did you see, like it does it for me. So without further ado, I'm Maay the Muse. I'm gonna start the voiceover now. Okay. So to begin this style, y'all, you're gonna want to start on pretty much stretched hair. You're not gonna start after it's like freshly washed or anything because your curl pattern gets really tight and you won't be able to have like a really sleek look. You'll probably have a little bit of waveage going on. So we want it to be sleek as possible. And we know we're only gonna get so far. So that's why I have my hair in these two little buns. That's the first step, okay? So we're gonna moisturize our hair with Cantu leave-in conditioner, and then we're gonna seal in that moisture with I think this is like a hair honey or something by Carol's Daughter, but yeah, that's what we're gonna use. Alright, so here's the major key to getting it to be as sleek as possible. So what I do is, since I'm having a center part for my ponytail, I split my hair down the middle, and that's why I have those two buns. And I've already kind of put them back to begin with so they can get used to being back in that style. And I'm going to take Eco Styler Gel. Yes, I still use it. Look, don't come for me. And then I also take the best thing ever, Murray's Edge Wax, which is Extreme Hold, okay? These two products together, along with what I'm about to show you, are really good at holding down the fort. So my hair is in two sections, and I'm going to take the first section that I just moisturized, and what I'm going to do is basically just gel down section by section. So I start with this side part and I put the gel down first, and then I'm going to go in with the paddle brush, or excuse me, like this brush right here, and that's what I'm going to use to slick down the gel. And then next I'm going to take, like I said, the GOAT, greatest of all time, Murray's Edge Wax. And Murray's is really going to give me a great hold for this. This is what preserves the style as well. You could just do Eco, but Murray's is really good at making this last longer. Now, and I'm taking my boar bristle, excuse me, I can't say this word. I'm taking the hard brush, okay? And the hard brush is going to, of course, we all know, get it to lay, okay? So I'm going to take that and brush it with Murray's, and then I'm going to put that section into a ponytail, okay? To just let it be held there. Then next, I'm going to take the next section and do the same exact thing, and then put that in the ponytail. And then the last section, just going to fix this center part real quick, and then I'm going to repeat. So we have the gel, then we have slicking it with the regular brush, then Murray's, and slicking it with the hard brush. And that is that. And every time I do another section, I am untying the ponytail and putting the new hair with the old hair. Does that make sense? I hope it does. All right. Alright, so now I'm just finishing the last section on the second bun, and this side low-key gave me some trouble, guys. So your arms might be a little tired, you know, peep those biceps, you know, but that's just what we have to deal with when we have black hair, and it's alright. Love it anyway. This is my method for making sure things are sleek and in order. So I'm gonna take a shoestring, black or whatever color matches the color of your hair. I'm taking the shoestring, right? And I'm just going to tie it once very loosely and then just start tightening it as it slicks my hair down and back. Now I'm just tying it again so that it forms a knot. And then I'm going to be taking out the bands from the two buns we did, okay? So we're gonna take this out because we don't want all that tension on our hair, you know? So we just did the shoelace thing to make sure everything is sleek and back. And now we're gonna take out the little bands. Now I'm gathering my hair in the back. I'm taking out the shoelace, holding it real tight, and then I am banding it, or sorry, putting it in the ponytail holder as tight as I can. So not losing the tension that the shoelace was bringing, and then putting it in a bun in the back, okay? So I am going to address these baby hairs. Yes, ma'am. Yes, May. That is it. Alrighty, now we're gonna take a scarf and we're going to tie her down for a good 10 to 20 minutes. We really want this to set, okay? Baby hairs included, any trouble pieces that we might have had to bobby pin down. So I am taking my scarf and really tying her down tightly. As you can see, I look like I'm struggling. All right. So I'm back. Put on a little nude lip, you know, some mascara and eyeliner, and it's time for the big reveal. Ooh, child, you see I got excited, I bumped the camera. You see that? And you know the scarf was tight because I got that little line in my head. But okay. Now, last but not least, we're gonna take our phony pony and you're just gonna tuck the top comb in the back and the bottom comb in the back. And then you're going to make sure that it's covering the bun all the way. And then we're going to just tighten it with the drawstring that it comes with. Alright guys, well I hope that you enjoyed that tutorial. I think I'm gonna start doing a lot more like hair related stuff because that's just what I really like to do. It's my hair, as you can see. So I hope that you found this helpful. Definitely stay tuned for more and watch some more videos. You know, I'm here all day folks, okay?